Hello guys, welcome back to Salas Chop. So I just got out of work, so I'm about to do a little bit of work on the car. Not much, but we'll try our best. And here we go, man. We're gonna do some bushings on the trailing arms, the Whiteline ones. I'll put the link description underneath where I got them from. But the grease-free technology trailing arms, the center ones. I'm gonna press those in and see how we do pressing them in. Hopefully I don't struggle. Let's hope. But yeah, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like. And here we go. So I'm gonna show you what I'm using pretty much. It's a pressing tool. Got one end over here. Comes with the big screw, and then this is just kind of like a nut thing. And obviously I'm gonna need either a big socket to spin it, and then just pops in. I'm using some of the lithium grease, but I think recommend soapy water. I'm inside of the garage right now and it's dark already, so I don't plan on going outside right now, but el cucuy, you know. But that's how it usually goes. Kind of align it. You see it's already squeezing out. Align it to this side and this side right there. But yeah, that's how it's going. Yeah. Instructions say do not impact, so we will not oogie doogie this. So let's hope it goes in right. I might it's in here right now. It's outside. That doesn't look like it's going in. Right? It kind of is. I think we're gonna have to use the soapy water. Yep. Using Dawn soap. There you go. Way easier with extra soapy water. So actually, guys, follow the instructions. Oh yeah, and shout out to my boy from LS Factory. He's the one that provided the tool kit for this. Appreciate it. You know, my boy Carlos Blanco Castillo, the 18th. But yeah, always coming in clutch, helping out the boy in need. Oops, but this is how it looks. Looks nice. So it looks over here on this side. Popped in. Perfect. Has a lip, obviously. So all that work that I did with the other one, guys, disregard all that stuff. I literally drilled the hole right there just to make sure it fit. Then I didn't even have to grind them. I just unscrewed it, twisted to like this way, passed it through right there. Didn't even have to grind these guys. Damn. All that work for nothing, right? But I'm gonna let you guys think I actually grinded the other ones. Then I'm gonna show this video. So I got too excited and I installed everything, but it's pretty simple, guys. Nothing hard. These two bolts over here, this is what would be the camber right here, 40 pounds. I think those were 40 pounds too, but we can check right now. See, let's see, got the take manual right here. Those are 30 pounds. Yeah, those are 30 pounds. This one is 40. Yeah, 40. Pretty much everything else is 40. So it's 30, 40, 40 that's right here, 40 in the back over there. This is the lower control arm, and the big ones are 47 pounds. The ones on the bottom that hold the trailing arm right there, and then these are 40, I think. I really don't know that. Those are the ones I just tow. They got it done. Shock is installed and everything. The only thing I'm missing is the sway bar and links. I need adjustable ones because those don't fit perfectly, and I don't want to delete it. And that's it. Simple. Next will be the brakes. When I install them, I will record that. I'll probably do one side first, so anything I do wrong or learn, I'll fix it on the first time, on the second.